Hello everyone, in this video we will quickly learn how to save a draft. And to do that we will click on email marketing right here at the top. And we will be taken to this page. You can see drafts here. We'll click on that. And I already have one draft here, and now let's do it for you as well. Create newsletter. And here you have to give a title. This title is only for you. I will just write my first draft. You have to select your email, subject line here, first draft only for testing. You will then select the recipients. I'll pick one of my lists for testing, and design and content. This is where you pick the templates. Let's go with one of our newest. And then we will be taken to this page here where you could already save and exit if your goal is to just save the draft. Otherwise, you just click next here. And we would go to the bottom where you can either schedule, send immediately, or save as a draft. And when we click here, you will see a notification on the top right. Exactly, draft saved. And there you go. Your draft is saved now. And you can just see it if you go to email marketing once again, drafts, and you'll see my first draft here. Now it's your turn to create a draft. At the end of this video, you will see a button that will take you directly to the draft so that you waste no time, and I will see you in the next video.